let's look at how to pass MQTT information from the SCUTTLE Robot out to the web to be received on another edge device or another client, as we would say in the MQTT world. So the speeds published here on screen are directly coming from the SCUTTLE Robot. That's the left and the right wheel speeds being controlled by my joystick on my controller. And what I have on my NodeRed dashboard is every 0.2 seconds or so a file is read that's indicating my left and right wheel speed, left here, right here, and those go to these gauges as well as a chart. The way the dashboard looks is like this. I press forward and you can see I have a positive velocity on left and right. I go backwards and it goes negative. But this information is not going to the World Wide Web. It's still local, just being transmitted by Wi-Fi from the Beagle device to my computer. So now I want to send things to and from the web. The item that you can inject is, the item you can add to your screen is an MQTT item. And so if I have an input or an output, here's how they function. This is an output. I have information coming from my robot and it's going out to the web. I choose the HiveMQ server that I just set up using this. The only information that you need is broker.hivemq.com and port 1883. This information is going to match the information on my of my broker. So the topic needs to be defined. This is important. Test topic is a topic, DM is a subtopic, and 2 is yet another subtopic. And the quality of service is set to 2. You can learn more about quality of service elsewhere. It's pretty important. Okay, so then over here I have a WebSocket client that can connect to the HiveMQ free MQTT broker. We're connecting via port 8000 in this case. All of these are defaults. I click connect and I should be able to publish and subscribe on a topic. I think my topic is DM/2 to receive updates from my wheels of my robot. So I'm not going to publish though, I'll actually subscribe. So test topic /DM/2. Okay, so now I have zeros here. I'm going to go forward on the robot and I'm starting to get these positive values that should match the values coming from the robot. I'm going to drive negative, reverse. Okay, so that's how I can send data to the web and receive it on another device, such as a cell phone. Next item is to publish a message, and I'm going to publish a 6 on channel 3. And if I subscribe actually to DM/hashtag, this is going to subscribe to all subtopics under this topic and subtopic. That's the wild card, the hashtag subscribe. So now if I publish, I got some 6s, and you can see it in the feed. Now I go to my dashboard and I have an input that's on the same server, but in this case I have written my topic to be DM/3. And now any information being published on this topic on the HiveMQ broker will be passed to a gauge on my NodeRed dashboard. Okay, so since I had input 6, it's currently sitting at 6. If I bring this over here and it says I'm disconnected. I'll connect again. I'll publish, 13. and here you can see it's updating. This information is coming directly from my my Beagle hardware, so you know that the robot has received the data if this is updating. And the other way we can verify that we received the data is we create a new shell session. And we want to go home. Oh, we're already home. We need a CD basics, and the file that we're writing to is, where is it? MQTT data.txt. So I'm going to cat MQTT data.txt, and you can see a whole bunch of 6s that I published earlier and the 13. I'm going to publish another one. I'll go out to the dashboard. Right here, and I'll do 14, publish. Okay, shows up here on my dashboard, and then it should also show up here if I do the cat again. Now I have a 14. So this is how you can essentially control your robot if your robot grabs the information from this file and then performs an action based on that.